If this video has reached you in your feed, please know it is for you. I am doing a quick read for the energies of the month of May, a look into the collective health. Please take whatever resonates and whatever doesn't, just leave it. Happy Beltane to whoever celebrates. Happy May 1st. I send you blessings, love, and light for this month and always. If you like this reading, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like a more in-depth health reading, feel free to book on my website, mindysquantumwellness.com, and we can look deeper into your health, as well as come up with holistic solutions to help you on your healing journey. Okay, the month of May. Let's see what's going on. In the past, I see the Star, which is a card of rebalancing energies. It's a card for hope, a hope for the future. Maybe you cut something out of your life that no longer served you. The universe has responded by helping to rebalance things, reorder things in your life. And then in the atmosphere, we have the strategy card, which is the Seven of Swords. So I'm seeing that you're coming up with strategies, solutions, seeking these strategies and solutions to help reorganize your thoughts and your mind. Swords represent thoughts and words. So you're kind of trying to repattern your mindset into a more positive direction. He's looking at the Nine of Pentacles and is heading towards the Ace of Pentacles. So this is just beautiful. What he wants is to live more sovereignly in his health, to take the bull by the horns, and he's looking at knowing that he is sovereign and in charge of his health ultimately. You are in charge of your health. You are the healer. So please know that, people like me, we can guide you on your path. It's like you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink, right? So there's many options, strategies, but whatever resonates with you, that's what you're going to choose. And always do your research and find out what is the best option for you and your health. The Ace of Pentacles is what he's heading towards. So it's a new beginning, a fresh start for your health. And Pentacles represent Earth. So this could be something to do with digestion, just really supporting your core. Yeah, I'm feeling that this is a strong rebuilding of your gut and the microbiome, which is the center for your health. In Chinese medicine, the spleen stomach represents the center, and that is your metabolism, your digestion, how you assimilate nutrients. So there's something big going on with rebooting your core. And from that core, you help to heal your entire body. So that's beautiful. That is the best place to start as far as, food is medicine. And then the Queen of Wands in the future represents you stepping more into your sovereign self. It has to do with this Nine of Pentacles card. And also it's just a lot of yellow in this reading. So that also represents the digestive fire, digestive energy. The Queen of Wands goes the alternative path. She follows the beat of her own drum. So that definitely resonates with the Nine of Pentacles. She knows that she is intuitively guided. That's what the black kitty here represents. Her intuition, guiding her down the most optimum path for her health. And the advice from the universe, we have the Magician and the Devil. So the Magician is saying to step more into your unique power. You have all the tools in the toolbox available to you at this time. And you harness those tools by harnessing in the energy from the universe and directing it down to earth. So possibly through prayer, positive affirmations for yourself, working deeply within your heart center and calling in what it is that you do want for your health, for your life. You know, the sword with the thoughts and words. And the wand is representative of using creative strategies to help you in your health. So the devil is saying, step away from your old vices. These no longer serve you and just keep you shackled in this imprisonment of this downward spiral that does not serve you, does not serve your health, so you cannot move forward. Step more into the magician that you are. We all have this magic ability within ourselves, so harness that well and step away from this guy. All right? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. All my love your way. Namaste.